In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your business name, trading name, or legal name in Xero step by step. Whether you've rebranded your company, updated your registered legal name, or simply noticed a spelling mistake, I'll walk you through the exact place inside Xero where you can update it properly. It only takes a couple of minutes, but it's very important to make sure it's done correctly so your invoices and reports show the right information. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump straight in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your current organization name displayed there. In many demo accounts, it might say something like Demo Company followed by your region. Go ahead and click directly on that organization name. When you click it, a small menu will appear. From that dropdown, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can control your organization's details. Inside the settings page, you'll see multiple tiles with different configuration options. What you want to do here is click on the very first tile labeled Organization Details. This is where Xero stores the core information about your business, including your names, contact information, and registration details. At the top of the Organization Details page, you'll see three important name fields. The first one is the display name. This is the name you see internally inside Xero. It appears on your dashboard and helps you identify the organization if you manage multiple entities. Changing this will not necessarily change what customers see on invoices, but it updates how the business name appears within your Xero account. Next, you'll see the legal name or trading name field. This is extremely important because this is the name that appears on your invoices, quotes, purchase orders, and financial reports. If you've legally registered a new company name or you operate under a different trading name, this is the field you need to update. Make sure the spelling, spacing, and punctuation are exactly correct, since this information is what your clients and partners will see. To make changes, simply click into the text box of the field you want to update. Delete the existing name and type in your new business, trading, or legal name. Take a moment to double-check everything before saving. It's always better to review it carefully now rather than correcting documents later. Once you've entered the new name, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This part is important because Xero will not automatically save your changes. At the bottom, you'll see a green Save button. Click that button to confirm and apply your updates. After you click Save, Xero will process the change, and your new business name will now be active across your account. From this point forward, your updated legal or trading name will appear on invoices and reports, and your display name will reflect internally if you change that as well. If you've already issued invoices under the old name, keep in mind that those documents won't automatically update retroactively, so you may need to reissue them if required. And that's it. That's exactly how you change your business, trading, or legal name inside Xero. As you can see, it's a quick process once you know where to look. Click your organization name, go to Settings, open Organization Details, update the relevant name fields, and hit Save. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero guides in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.